Welcome students. Topic is direction cosines and direction ratios. तो शॉर्ट में डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस को DCs बोलते हैं और इनको DRs. So first of all we will learn the definitions and then the relation between both of them. तो डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस means scalar components of a unit vector. Scalar components of a unit vector. Like if you say 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, अगर हमें इसके DC से तो क्या ये यूनिट वेक्टर है? नो, है ना. सो इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग तो अगर मैं इसको कह दूं p वेक्टर, तो देन वी वांट टू नो द यूनिट वेक्टर. So unit vector means p vector and then magnitude of the p vector. So this will be 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap divided by under root 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, and then you will be getting 2 by 3 I cap plus 2 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. So the DCs will be 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now if we talk about DRs, direction ratios. So direction ratios are nothing but scalar components of a vector. Scalar components of vector are called direction ratios. Like हमको दिया हुआ था क्वेश्चन में p vector is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. तो DRs will be 2, 2, 1. So DRs can be many of a one vector. So DRs can be more than one of a vector. Like if we understand the relation between DRs and DCs, then we can understand better what do you mean by DRs, direction ratios. So if k is any real number that is not equal to 0, any real number, then and DCs, let the DCs be LMN. The LMN are the reserved letters for DCs, and let the DRs be ABC. So यहाँ पे एक और इम्पोर्टेंट बात ध्यान रखने की है कि L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Then the relation is ABC triplet is equal to k times L, k times N and k times N. मतलब if you multiply the DCs, direction ratios, with some constant, that constant will be multiplied with all the DCs. Like for example, if you have DCs 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, then that implies DRs can be 2, 2, 1. If we multiply 3 with all, it can be -2, -2, -1 also. if you multiply minus 3, and drs can be 6 6 3 if you multiply 9, right? So drs can be many, and all are the drs of the same DCs, corresponding DCs. So here there is a very important point that the student may miss, that if the DRs given, then how to find out DCs? So that's a very important point. Like if I say 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 are the DCs, and not like that, 2, 2 and minus 1 are the DRs, then the DCs can be 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, or DCs can be minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. It means what? Ki if we have been given DRs, so its corresponding DCs can be 2, because if you multiply and minus 1, so इसके corresponding जो DRs होंगे वो इसी के ही DRs होंगे, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, plus 1. So like that, if you go for DCs, then the DCs will be minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, right? Its corresponding unit vector, not more than 2. So for any given DRs, DCs can be 2, possibility of 2. So like that's why a straight line is bidirectional. First thing, that's very important thing. Another thing is DCs is for vector. DCs and DRs are related with vectors. The straight line is bidirectional because if a line is going like this, so it can be either in direction or in this direction. Okay, so that's why a straight line is having DCs, two set of DCs, right? Like that. So I hope you have understood the DCs and DRs. Thank you.